Alrighty, this is a quick how-to. If you decide to use it in the rain, it's not advisable. Why make the awning dirty unnecessarily? But say it's drizzling and you want to sit here and enjoy, and the awning gets wet, you close it for the night, and then next opportunity to air it out, you do that. Also, I didn't want the pitch to go too low. See how it's going sloping? So some light rain should be just rolling down. But if you decide to use it in a bigger rain, keep an eye not to develop a puddle like a kid's wet bed. You don't want to see that. Okay, and if puddle is developing, either close the awning or just kick it with a broom. Okay, next. There's your motion sensor. You should be able to close the awning once the wind picks up. This is down, this is up, and this will stop it at any point. And there you have it. Right? If you decide to be an aggressive user, here's what you do. You can stop the awning, say somewhere in the middle. Okay? And say you press this button, my button, and hold it. From now on, this is your center point. Let's say I close the awning. I'm not doing it correctly. I close the awning all the way. Let's not wait for it. And then when I press this, the awning will go to that center position. And you can find the position you like. I normally recommend when there's enough shade over here for the house, that's when you set the middle position. Most people don't know about it anyway, but you might want to. Okay, everything's good. It's becoming a long video. This is your plug. All right. Beautiful, beautiful awning.